Hello students, welcome to PRS Math World. Now we are going to discuss about the important questions which is in integrations, that are 7 marks questions. So in this we have 3 to 4 methods are very important. So in that first important method is, suppose the integration is in the form of like integral px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c into dx, or you can take this divided by root of ax square plus bx plus c, or it can be in the form of integration px plus q into root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. Suppose that means one term px plus q term will be there, and ax square plus bx plus c, which is in numerator or denominator with root, is given. Then how to solve this problem? See here, rule is what? Px plus q, this term can be written as a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c. That means no need to take root or anything. Simply you can take px plus q equals to a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus constant b. See this question, it is in the form of px plus q by root of ax square plus bx plus c, that is linear term and quadratic term in the denominator. So like this, what is our rule? Px plus q is written as a into derivative of this quadratic term plus b. So take these terms, px plus q is nothing but 2x plus 5, and take this term as only this, don't take root value, only we have to take d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c term plus b. Now what is the derivative of 2x square? 2x minus 2x derivative 2 and constant is 0. So this can be written as like this. Now by comparing these two x terms and constants, then you can get a, b values. So compare x coefficients and constants. So what are x coefficient here? 2a. Here x coefficient is 2. So by equating both, then you can get a equals to 1. What is the constant here? Minus 2a plus b. What is the constant here? 5. So this both are equating, then you can get b equals to 7. Now substitute a and b in this. A is 1, b is 7, substitute here. Now here 2x plus 5 by root of this term is there. Whatever the term it is given in the question, you have to take the term for the left side value. That is here divided by root of term is there. So we have to take divided by root of this term. So for right side also we can take same 1 by root of x square minus 2x plus 10 into dx. For this also we can take integration 1 by root of x square minus 2x plus 10 into dx. That is according to question we have to write. Suppose it is into is there, then you have to multiply this total term for every terms. Right? Now take this. We want this one. So for that take this integration separately. And already we observed that this derivative is nothing but numerator. So we can write it as what? This is suppose f of x. Then what is the derivative of this? F dash x is in the numerator. So it is in the form of like f dash x by root f of x. So what is the formula for that, Nana? 1 by root f of x into f dash x into dx. It is nothing but 1 by root x form, that is 2 root x, that is 2 root of f of x plus c. So by taking all this integration directly, what we can write? 2 root of f of x. What is f of x value? This one. So this is the first integration value. Now we can take the second integration value. That is what? Integration 1 by root of x square minus 2x plus 10 into dx. In this case, suppose in the denominator ax square plus bx plus c is there, then what we need to do? First take it into x minus alpha whole square or x plus alpha whole square plus beta square. That is what? Here we can converting into a minus b whole square form. For that take a square term as it is, and this is 2ab term. In this 2 minus 2, that is as it is, a term is x. For taking b value, by taking which one for b, then we can get minus 2x by taking 1. That's why we are taking b as 1. Now here a square minus 2ab term is there. Now we have to add and subtract the b square term, that is b square minus b square, and plus 10 as it is. Now we can convert this into a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square. A minus b means 1 whole square plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 can be written as 3 square. Now see here, it is in the form of 1 by root of x square plus a square. That is what? So for this, what is the formula? 1 by root of a square plus x square sin h inverse x by a. So here we can write it as sin h inverse x. Instead of x, x minus 1 is there, and by instead of a, 3 is there. So you can substitute here plus c. Now we got two integration values. So substitute these two integrations value in this equation. That is, substitute 2 and 3 in equation 1. Then first integration value is this one plus 7 into second integration value is this one plus c. So which is the required answer. Now let us see the next similar problem. It is also in the form of integration px plus q into root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. So like this form, what is our rule? Px plus q can be written as a into derivative of this quadratic term plus b. So write the terms as it is. Px plus q term equals to a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c term plus b. Now by solving this, we can get a and b values. So how to solve? Derivative of 6 is 0 and this value is minus 4x and derivative of x is 1 plus b. Now compare x coefficients and constants. What is the x coefficient? Minus 4a equals to x coefficient is 6 here. So what is a value? Minus 3 by 2. Similarly constants, a plus b equals to 5 here. So from this we can get b value is 13 by 2. Now substitute a and b in this. Now after substituting, what we have in the question, into root of 6 minus 2x square plus x term is there. So for each term we have to multiply with this term. So integration 6x minus 5 into whatever the question is given, you have to multiply the term which is equals to, in the right side also we have to multiply with the same term, that is minus 3 by 2 integration this term into root of 6 minus 2x square plus x into dx plus again here 13 by 2 is there, 13 by 2 into here integration same term into dx. Now by solving this equation, two integrations, we can get the actual integration value. Now take the first integration value. What is this? By seeing this, we can guess easily. This is the functional value and the derivative value is here. So we are taking this as function, then the derivative is here. Then this is in the form of like root of f of x into f dash x into dx. So root of f of x into the derivative into dx. What is the formula for that? This is f of x power 1 by 2. It is nothing but that is f of x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. That is by 3 by 2, take it into numerator, then 2 by 3 into f of x power 3 by 2 plus c. So now see here, root of f of x into f dash x term, that is 2 by 3 into f of x whole power 3 by 2 plus c. So this is the first integration value. After that, take the second integration value, that is integration of root of, it is in the form of like ax square plus bx plus c. So how to convert this? This converting into some beta square minus x minus alpha whole square or x minus alpha whole square minus beta square. That means converting into a minus b whole square form. So for that, what we need to do is take the x square coefficient as common first of all. What is the x square coefficient here? Minus 2. Suppose it is 1, no need to take common. Suppose instead of 1 you can take any another number, then you have to take that number as common, that is minus 2 common. Then what will be the x square term? That means our concept is to convert the x square coefficient as 1. So for that, take this as common, then x term. By taking minus 2 as common, then it will be minus 1 by 2 into x, and take minus 2 as common, then it will be minus 3 into dx. Now we can converting into a minus b whole square, and remember that whatever the constant is there, you can take it into outside, that is root 2, take it into outside, that is root 2 minus, take it as it is. Now you can converting into a minus b whole square. Here a square term is there, 2ab term is there. So you have to add and subtract b square term. See here, a square means a square itself. Minus 2ab term means 2 is constant as it is. What is a here? X. By taking which number, then you can get 2ab term as minus 1 by 2. Let us think. See here, 2x. Here by taking which value, then x by 2 will come. Here x by 4 we are taking, then gets cancelled, then you can get minus 1 by 2x. So by taking 2ab term as minus 1 by 2x, what we need to multiply the term? 1 by 4. Then only you can get this term as 2ab term. Now what is our b value then? 1 by 4. Now take addition and subtraction of b square term, because we have to convert this into a minus b whole square. That is what b square adding and subtracting and minus 3 as it is. Okay girls. Next, minus of a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square, a plus a minus b whole square, minus here 1 by 16 minus 3. 16 3s are 48 minus 1 49. 40 minus 1 minus 48, that is minus 49 by 16. Take the LCM here. Now it is in the form of like a square minus x square. This can be written as 7 by 4 whole square, but here multiplied with minus is there. When you are multiplied with minus, then this will be the plus value and this will be the minus value. That is what we can write it as 7 by 4 whole square minus this whole square. Now see here, it is in the form of root of a square minus x square. So what is the formula for this? X by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus c. So what is a here? 7 by 4, and instead of x, x minus 1 by 4 is there. That's why substitute all those values. That is x by 2 means x minus 1 by 4 by 2 root of a square minus x square as it is, plus a square by 2. By 2 means into 1 by 2 into sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x by a. Observe here carefully. Here root of this term is there into root 2. So root 2 into this total, it is nothing but the actual integration value, that is root of 6 minus 2x square plus x. We can split. After splitting we can get root 2 into this form. So instead of root 2 into this form, you can write this as root of 6 minus 2x square plus x into dx. Again here take LCM 4 LCM, then 4x minus 1 by 4 2s are 8 here. So 4x minus 1 by 8, here root of this same term, plus here after simplification you can get this form. That is what 49 by 32 into sin inverse of here 4 LCM, then 4x minus 1 by 7 by 4, 4 gets cancelled. So now substitute these two integrations values in equation 1. See here, root 2 into this total value we got like this, and here also root 2 into this term is there. So here also we have root 2 term, and then substitute 2 3 in equation 1. Then here see here minus 3 by 2 into first integration value, that is 2 by 3 into 6 minus 2x square plus x whole power 3 by 2, plus 13 by 2 into the second integration value we do. Okay. Now observe here carefully, 3 by 2 and 2 by 3 gets cancelled. Here minus of 6 minus 2x square plus x whole power 3 by 2. Here multiplied with 13 by 2 for every term. So 13 by 2 8s are 16, 4x minus 1 into root term as it is. Now see here 13 into 49, 637, and here root 2, here 2 is there. Root 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Then this gets cancelled, one root 2 gets cancelled. Then we have in the denominator root 2, and in the denominator 32 is also there. That is 13 into 49, 637 by 32 as it is. Root 2 by 2 is nothing but 1 by root 2. And sin inverse 4x minus 1 by 7 as it is, plus c. See another similar problem, px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c. It is also in the form of, we have to write the working rule as px plus q equals to a into derivative of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Then substitute these values. After that take the derivation 2x plus 3 here and compare x coefficients and constants. Then you can get ab values. Okay. Then substitute ab values in the equation, that is this is 1 by 2, this is minus 1 by 2. Substitute here, and whatever the question is given you have to divide with the same term. So here each term divided by this term for this total, and take the integration for each term. Now take the first integration. Here it is in the form of like a derivative divided by that function. So that function here derivative. So f dash x divided by f of x is nothing but what? Log mod f of x. So log mod, what is f of x term here? This one. So this is the first integration value. Now take the second integration value. See in the denominator, so also we can converting into x plus alpha whole square form. So for that a square term is there here, a square term as it is. For 2ab term here 3x is there. So 2 means 2 itself, and a term is x here. by taking which one b value, then you can get 3x term. So by taking 3 by 2, then 2 gets cancelled, 3x will become. So instead of b, we can write 3 by 2. So now we are adding and subtracting b square term. Now it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b whole square, minus 9 by 4 plus 12. Take the LCM, then 48 minus 9, that is 39 by 4 here. Now it is in the form of 1 by a square plus x square form. Now 1 by a square plus x square is nothing but 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. So 1 by a means root 39 by 2 tan inverse x by a. Now simplify this. Take it into numerator, 2 by root 39, tan inverse 2 gets cancelled, take LCM, 2x plus 3 by root 39 plus c. Now substitute these two equations in first equation. So after substitution, 1 by 2 into first integration value minus 1 by 2 into second integration value. Then 2 gets cancelled. Now you can get 1 by 2 into log of x square plus 3x plus 12 minus 1 by root 39 into tan inverse of this value plus c. So which are the most important method which is for long answer question. So be concentrate on this type. One question should come from this method.